the unsung hero of weight loss. Welcome to Health Citadel, I'm Best. Today we'll be learning about your gut and its relationship to your weight loss journey. Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right but still struggling to lose weight? You're not alone. Many people experience this frustrating plateau despite their best efforts. The answer might lie within your gut. Yes, you heard that right. Your gut health could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Believe it or not, your gut health plays a crucial role in your weight loss journey. It's not just a trendy topic, it's backed by science. It's not just about calories in and calories out. There's a whole ecosystem inside you that needs to be balanced. It's about creating a thriving inner ecosystem that works with you, not against you. This ecosystem is made up of trillions of bacteria that influence your digestion, metabolism, and even your mood. Imagine your gut as a garden. Just like a garden needs the right conditions to flourish, so does your gut. A healthy gut is like a vibrant garden teeming with beneficial bacteria that help you digest food, absorb nutrients, and even regulate your appetite. These good bacteria are your allies in the fight against weight gain. On the other hand, an unhealthy gut is like a neglected garden overrun with weeds, leading to inflammation, sluggish metabolism, and those stubborn extra pounds. It can make you feel tired and unmotivated. But here's the good news: you have the power to transform your gut health and unlock your weight loss potential. Simple changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a big difference. By understanding the intricate connection between your gut and your weight, you can make informed choices that support a healthy microbiome and achieve lasting results. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to change your life. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey to a healthier gut and a slimmer you? Let's dive in. Together we can cultivate a garden of wellness within. Your body's hidden world. Let's unlock the secrets of your gut microbiome, a bustling community of trillions of bacteria residing in your digestive tract. These microscopic wonders are not just passive residents. They are active participants in your overall health, especially when it comes to weight management. Think of your gut microbiome as a complex ecosystem with a delicate balance of good and bad bacteria. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to a condition called dysbiosis, where harmful bacteria outnumber the beneficial ones. Dysbiosis has been linked to various health issues, including weight gain, inflammation, and even mental health concerns. It can impact your metabolism, making it harder for your body to burn calories efficiently. Moreover, an imbalanced gut microbiome can disrupt your appetite regulation, leading to increased cravings and overeating. But there's hope. By understanding the role of your gut microbiome, you can make conscious choices to nourish the good bacteria and restore balance. Enemies of a healthy gut. Just like certain foods can nourish your body, some foods can wreak havoc on your gut health, sabotage your weight loss efforts, and leave you feeling bloated and sluggish. These foods can make you feel uncomfortable and tired, affecting your overall well-being and energy levels. It's time to identify these dietary culprits and show them the exit door. By making better food choices, you can significantly improve your gut health and overall vitality. First on the list are sugary drinks and processed foods, often laden with artificial sweeteners, unhealthy fats and additives. These items are not only calorie-dense but also nutrient-poor, making them a double threat to your health. These dietary villains can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, fueling the growth of harmful bacteria and leading to inflammation. This imbalance can cause digestive issues, discomfort, and even long-term health problems. Next up are refined grains, stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing. These grains are often found in everyday foods like white bread, white rice, and pastries. White bread, white rice, and pastries might seem harmless, but they can spike your blood sugar levels and contribute to gut dysbiosis. This can lead to energy crashes and cravings for more unhealthy foods. And let's not forget about excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol can be particularly damaging to your gut health if consumed in large quantities. While the occasional glass of wine might not pose a significant threat, regular heavy drinking can damage the gut lining, impair nutrient absorption, and lead to inflammation. This can result in a weakened immune system and other health issues. By reducing or eliminating these dietary offenders, you'll create a more hospitable environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive and support your weight loss goals. Embracing a diet rich in whole foods, fresh fruits, and vegetables can make a significant difference in your gut health and overall well-being. Foods for a thriving microbiome. Now that you know what to avoid, let's focus on what to embrace. Just as a flourishing garden requires nutrient-rich soil, your gut microbiome thrives on a diet abundant in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics. Embrace these gut-friendly foods to cultivate a diverse and balanced inner ecosystem. Fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, acts like a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Think of it as fertilizer for your gut garden. Aim to incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals, opting for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats over their refined counterparts. Probiotics, on the other hand, are live beneficial bacteria that can further enhance your gut health. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are all excellent sources of probiotics. Remember, diversity is key. By including a wide range of fiber-rich plant foods and fermented foods in your diet, you'll provide your gut microbiome with the nourishment it needs to flourish. Practical tips for a gut-friendly lifestyle, Section 5. Practical tips for a gut-friendly lifestyle. Incorporating gut-friendly habits into your daily routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are some practical tips to make gut health a delicious and enjoyable part of your lifestyle. Start slowly. If you're new to a high-fiber diet, gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Hydrate wisely. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion and the growth of beneficial bacteria. Chew thoroughly. Digestion begins in the mouth. Chew your food thoroughly to aid in proper breakdown and nutrient absorption. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods. If you experience discomfort after eating certain foods, consider reducing your intake or seeking guidance from a healthcare professional. Delicious recipes to nourish your gut. Section 6. Delicious recipes to nourish your gut. Ready to tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your gut? Let's dive into some delightful recipes that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your digestive health. Here are 2 simple yet flavorful recipes that will leave you feeling satisfied and your gut microbiome singing your praises. These recipes are perfect for any meal and are easy to prepare, even if you're short on time. This vibrant salad is packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making it a gut-friendly delight. The combination of quinoa and roasted vegetables provides a hearty base, while fresh herbs and toasted seeds add layers of flavor and texture. Asterisk ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, which is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. 1 cup roasted vegetables, such as broccoli, bell peppers, and onions, rich in vitamins and antioxidants. 1/2 cup chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley, cilantro, and mint, which add freshness and a burst of flavor. 1/4 cup toasted pumpkin seeds, providing a crunchy texture and healthy fats. Asterisk for the dressing: 1/4 cup tahini, which is rich in healthy fats and adds a creamy texture. 1/4 cup lemon juice, adding a zesty and refreshing flavor. 2 tablespoons water to thin the dressing to your desired consistency. 1 tablespoon olive oil, which is a great source of monounsaturated fats. Salt and pepper to taste to enhance all the flavors. Asterisk instructions: 1. Combine cooked quinoa, roasted vegetables, fresh herbs, and pumpkin seeds in a large bowl. Mix well to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. 1. Whisk together tahini, lemon juice, water, and olive oil in a small bowl. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning as needed. 1. Pour dressing over salad and toss to combine. Make sure the dressing coats all the ingredients evenly for the best flavor. This refreshing smoothie is a quick and easy way to start your day with a dose of probiotics and fiber. It's perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. Asterisk ingredients: 1 cup frozen berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, which are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, providing probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. 1/2 cup almond milk, which is a dairy-free alternative that adds creaminess. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, adding fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. 1 teaspoon honey, optional, for a touch of natural sweetness. Asterisk instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Make sure to blend thoroughly to achieve a creamy consistency. 1. Add more almond milk if needed to reach desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy your nutritious smoothie. Section 7. The holistic approach beyond the plate. While diet plays a pivotal role in gut health, it's not the only piece of the puzzle. A holistic approach that encompasses stress management, regular exercise, and quality sleep is essential for a thriving gut microbiome. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your gut, disrupting the balance of bacteria and leading to inflammation. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature to foster a calmer gut. Regular physical activity not only benefits your physical health, but also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, and don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Sleep deprivation can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and other health issues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your gut to repair and rejuvenate. You've embarked on a journey to understand the intricate connection between your gut health and overall well-being. Now it's time to take charge and transform your health from the inside out. Remember, your gut is not a passive bystander, it's an active participant in your health journey. By making conscious choices to nourish your gut microbiome, you're not just supporting your weight loss goals, but also investing in your long-term health and vitality. Embrace a diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics. Minimize processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption. Manage stress, engage in regular physical activity, and prioritize quality sleep. And most importantly, listen to your body. Every individual's gut microbiome is unique, so pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and lifestyle changes. Take charge of your gut health today and unlock a world of possibilities for a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share for more contents like this.